right side, you can see the chat where I'll be discussing and be passing. So, though the title is this thing, I'll be starting. I'll be first giving the link of newspaper articles regarding floods in Kerala. So I'll be pasting the link and I'll be telling students, please take a look at this link, and I'll be back. I'll be joining you by 14:30 hours. By 2:30, I'll be back. So the students will be accessing those site and they'll be reading over the material. By 2:30, I'll be coming back to the desk and I'll be giving some more links. Now, do you know what? I have given them the printed material, the newspaper article. Now I want to supplement it through videos. I'll be searching some videos and giving them the link. I'll be pasting it in the chat box and I'll be asking them to visit those sites. So they will be looking to that one. Then after they had referred all these articles, finally I'll be telling, see, I'll be back by 3 or 3:30. Then by 3:30 I'll be telling, see, as it is visible to you, the assignment is Kerala floods, the ghost of past environment policy, and the deadline is Monday morning 9:30, before the class starts, before my session starts. I want all the assignment submitted to me through Moodle to my website. And the best part of it is that they are not in a position to say excuse. This is for PG students. So they know that after that I am not going to give them any chance. So they are in a hurry and they will be submitting it. One more important thing is NAC will be asking you the question. Tell me, what are the things you are doing before 9:30 and after 3:30 in your institution? You should have some justification, some activity incorporated into your teaching learning process. We, from our department, highlighted this thing as an 24/7 interaction with the students. Hope you all got it. And on the right side, you can see big blue button. This is the platform is known as big blue button. You can see on the top left B and the written material. The problem is it is a free version and only 10 participants can be logged in at one time. If you are repeating it more than once, after 2 or 3 attempts, it will be stopping and saying that concurrent attempts are made. Hereafter, you will not be permitted. So we will log in again after some time. So friends, for integration, for discussion, I will be advocating something more than big blue button. Zoom, you can interact for 45 minutes. And Google Meet, free version at your Gmail, in your Gmail, at Gmail, maybe your address, and you can take it from that. I think 40 to 50 students can be enrolled at a stretch. If you are interested to participate actively in the e-learning process, better go for some paid versions like Google Meet. What you need to do is you need to purchase a domain and host the G Suite on it and create it. It is through that we had sent you the link. That is that is how you got Shyamji at serc.co.in. I purchased this domain and I hosted the G Suite on it and gave you the link. So I am not worried about whether the number is 100 or more because it is a paid version. So next. See, this is the question that is asked to a kindergarten student. That is from the tender age itself, they are directed towards cloud network. That is, initially we'll be going for C learning. That is, we'll be hosting our content in a cloud server, that is in Moodle platform. Then we'll be going to M learning. That means cloud learning to mobile learning, C learning to M learning. See, the student is asked to explain about cloud network. See the size, you can gauge in which class it will be. And he has drawn touchpad, PC, notebook, remote monitoring, mobile, etc. So the students, the new generation is brought up in such a way that they are linked to cloud networking right from their tender age itself. Then another important thing, Google is into this big business. Google Classroom, etc. After certain time, they will be telling, see, you had enrolled more than the stipulated free one. Please go for paid version. So they are into this education business in a serious manner. This is Google Class. What they will be doing is the the student can virtually see the images. Virtual reality, VR, is the essence of this glass. What you can see is the student can see the things happening in front of him by pressing that button just on his band. See, you can see the orange band. He'll be pressing on that button, and through one eye, there is a chip just above that. There is a screen, and he'll be seeing the whole thing. And with the other eye, do you know what? He'll be looking at you, that faculty member. This is the new era what we are going to face. See, these are the technicalities: camera, button, phone, conduction, transient, battery, touchpad, microphone, etc. The student can interact with it along with camera. So that is the reality, except extended reality. That is the technology that is going to be incorporated into this business. Education, as you know, is slowly shifting towards a multi-billion business, and all the players are seriously into it. Normally, what we are familiar with principal as the head of the institution. Now the trend has started changing. Now the education institution has got a CEO, manager, etc., who are expertised in business management skills. So, friends, beware and watch out. Things are going to happen at the faster pace, and you will be amazed. Oh, come on! It is taking extra technologies. That is a distant past. Take your mobile. Some of our friends will be having a mobile. When you look at the mobile, it will realize that it is you, and it will start opening. That means artificial intelligence is incorporated into your mobile, and it is within your within in, with in, it is inside your house. So it will not take a lot of to get into your classroom as well. So friends, that is the new era we are going to face. Then can any one of you tell me what this is? A big box with a phone, etc., etc. Maybe you will be giving me the answer. I think I heard somebody say that it is telephone. No, it is a mobile phone, because those are the levers that you can carry on. This is developed by none other than the top player, Nokia. These are the mobiles which we all are familiar. When we started into the mobile era, we depended upon just one player, that is Nokia. And the best part of it is that it is heavy, and it is stable, and it is safe. There is no intrusion, there is no data leakage, nothing like that. And this is the last parting press meeting by the CEO of Nokia. From Finland, Nokia dominated the world over, but slowly they got outdated. And these are the final words from him. Nokia's CEO ended his speech saying this: "We didn't do anything wrong, but somehow we lost it." He is of the view that he never did anything wrong, but I don't know how I lost the plot. Do you know why? Do you know what? He just depended on Symbian, then moving to Android. That means if you did not update, you get outdated. Hope my friends will remember forever. If you don't update, you get outdated. So this is what we'll be starting from tomorrow. That is learning management system. See, what I want is, I want you to, let me stop sharing and I'll come back to screen. And now what I want is, I want you to install that cam scanner, and I want you to take the pictures of the book which you depend for taking sessions, or the notes which you have prepared. Incorporate those digitized thing into your content, and be ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be posting the whole thing in our server. Friends, any questions, please? So what I want is 2 apps in your mobile. One is Cam Scanner. Maybe it is already inbuilt in your thing, and Google Translate. Convert the whole thing. I want the Word file in which you must have explained. You should have explained. You should explain that these are digitized from so and so work. So what I want is, I want both the content live on the Word file, and from 10:15 I'll be logging in. Each one of you start sharing and show me the word page. Hope you understood how to share the screen. I want to see the word page. In that, you in bold letters the one which you had prepared earlier, the one you are going to incorporate, and the things I want to take a look at it. Any questions?
So we have
Hello?
to put videos and e-content and also in
I
the
will
what
never
file?
say no. I will never say no.
Okay.
If you are able to do that, that is well and good. That is what I told. If you are not, don't worry. Come up. I will be coming up with another solution whereby your laptop will be recording the whole thing through Moodle. If you can use some other thing, the camera in the laptop is not up to the mark, but the mobile camera is far better. Friends,
Okay.
as you are into Facebook, as you are into taking snaps every now and then, I know your camera will be far better than mine or the laptop. So if you can take such a thing, the earlier the best. Do it and please upload it. If you can, in the meanwhile, if you are some of you are able to make a YouTube channel, then that is the best thing. You just give me the link, we'll incorporate that, and that is it. That should be the end result. You should have your own YouTube channel with all the videos in. And some of the senior faculty members, let me tell you one thing, ma'am. Assign your students, give some assignment. Ask some students to take the recording and upload that with their consent in YouTube channel. Remember one thing, with their consent. Student should not question you. You can prepare a format where you seeking a permission from them to upload this content in the virtual platform of the institution or something like that. You upload it and keep the content ready for the future generation as well. This we can incorporate into this thing. I already had developed such thing for my college, and what I did was I asked them to make a presentation, and I will share that screen as well. Hold on.
Hello, Ron teacher. Hello.
Sir, we don't know what happened. I think
No,
we'll come back.
I'm back. Hello, sorry, back. Hello.
Okay.
Sir, this is because of the technical
Shyam,
problem. Shall we know what to
there are certain
present after
technicalities, so you should have a plan A and plan B. Sorry?
what should we present
Sorry?
after this short break?
Which one?
Sir, you have asked
Hello?
us to share our screen with some presentation. What is it, sir? Is it only the image or word file?
No, the word file. the Word file, the which you had prepared.
Using this is Google Translator.
No. The file which you are going to upload. You after Google Translator, you prepare the Word file, the content which you are interested in uploading on the Moodle server. Hello. Hello.
Sir, the audio is breaking, sir. Audio is breaking. Sir, can we
Mine.
see that assignment through chat box? Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, can you type it in the chat box, please?
Yes, please. Thank you. So this is it. So what I want is I want to take a look at the Word file which you had created, because from tomorrow we'll be starting the content uploading, and I prefer there should not be any delay in the whole process, because the participants number are high. So what I want is everyone should be ready with the content. It should have a typed matter, an illustration. Yeah, that's it. You can see one of your friends sharing the screen, Anthony Raj. See, this is what I want to see in your screen. Anthony sir, can you go down the cursor so that I can take a look at the images? Yeah, this is it. Friends, take a look at this one. This is what I want. You start the screen so that I can take a look at all the things. Ma'am, if you are interested in incorporating audio and video content, that is well and good. But you should be familiarized. You should familiarize with the path, the folder in which you have kept. I think it is better you copy it and paste it in desktop so that it will be easy for you to incorporate into the learning module. Any questions, please? So what I want is, I want an image. If you want to take an image, you can use Cam Scanner as well. That is inbuilt in your mobile. Only thing is you need to install Google Translate. Always download apps from the trusted one, that is Google Play Store. Don't go to any other site, because all your credit card details, your contacts, your photos, etc. will be in the hands of some other person. So this is what I want. You upload the whole content. We'll be uploading the whole thing at a stretch, and we'll be checking whether it is working or not. And the process we will be adopting is Control C plus Control V. Hope you understood what I said. Copy paste. That is the best thing. Then asking them to take the path, specifying the path, and going there. That is the easiest option. If you want to take the image of any, that's wonderful. Graph, that's great. Tanya Francis, this is that's great. How you share the screen, and I will have a look at it. There are, ma'am, there are certain issues for uploading your table. Do you know what table image in one page? The image is split between 2 pages. Take the image in a single page. Take the print screen and make it into an image. So friends from the Max field, what I want is you can incorporate some questions based on equations, and finally you will be having a single number as an answer. Take the screenshot of it. How to take the screenshot? Because you remember the key near to F12. That is, copy that screen and save it into and Paint. Why I am saying is that if you copy a image from a web, that will be of bigger size. So the print screen option is the best one, because we are using a free server with limited space. don't take excess space for one single image. So print screen or screenshot. That is the thing to edit and reduce to the maximum small space. Hope you understood what I said.
Sir, once again, how to upload the material?
Share your screen. In behind this video, your file should be open. That's the only condition. Before you share the screen, see that the file is open. Then when you come to click onto the screen, you can see present now. Click on to present now, and you can see the window. When you click on the window, it will be showing all the windows that is open. The only thing in virtual sessions is that individual attention is not possible. But I am trying to bridge that gap through the sharing of the screen, so that you feel that I am just near you, watching each and every typing you are doing. I am trying to share the work done by one of my students. Rincy ma'am, can you use a desktop rather than a mobile? One second, I will show you what is the clip which I got for the presentation by my student. Friends, start sharing the Word file. In the meanwhile, I'll be working on something else. Yeah, great. Punita ma'am, that's it. need to do is you need to copy the whole thing. Friend, take a look at this one. There is some audio. You can down below. You can see the number of strikes. 3,059 views. And you can see here, the student is making a presentation about 2 into 2 into 2 general equilibrium model. So what I did was, I took her PPT and incorporated into the presentation. And you can see her keeping her hand on the dais. In the dais, there is a mobile which shows all the PPT. So as and when she looks at the mobile, I inserted this PPT so that it seems as if it is a smooth one. You can see that the strike is 1,059 views. I never shared it with anyone because I just want to know how much others are interested in accessing materials uploaded by an amateur student. So this is what I am advocating. If possible, if you can create a YouTube link with this one, we will be incorporating the whole thing into the Moodle module tomorrow itself. Hello? Anyone else, please? The latecomers, if you have any doubts, please tell me. Today, what we have discussed is the role and relevance of learning management system and how to digitize the work using Google Translate and CAM Scanner. And to develop tomorrow, what I want is I want to develop the Word file in which it should have sufficient number of lines and content along with diagrams and illustrations. What we will be doing is we will be using the same technique, Control-C, Control-V, copy and paste the whole thing onto it. Then we will be incorporating audio video elements into it. If you got sufficient time, work on it, use your mobile, prepare a content and upload into a YouTube channel. We will be linking it into it. So what I want is, I want a material based on that. See how we are sharing the screen. This is what I want. We will be starting by 10:15 and one by one, each one of you start sharing the screen or trying to incorporate it into the site as well. Any questions? Hello? Tomorrow we'll be going to host it in a free server. The number of days given is limited. 30 days the site will be active. And see to it that what they are interested is how to get into, just to familiarize with this one. That is what the Moodle Cloud agencies are interested in. So you'll be hosting the whole thing on your site and we'll be working on that. Yes, sir. You are live. As per the instruction of the organizers, I am recording this discussion because they wanted to send it to some of the participants. Yes, ma'am. Sunita, ma'am, you are live, but your mic is mute. Sunita, ma'am, you are live. As and when you come to the screen, just unmute your mic and cam. Yes, ma'am. You are
Okay,
live.
sir. I hope there are no more questions. I hope so.
Shall we?
Should I wait after 12:30? Because that was the instruction given by our organizers to wait after 12:30 for interaction. So can I wind up? Do you want me to wait for some time? Because do you know what I am doing with my other hand? I am admitting some of them. So there are so many persons coming in after 12:15. Whether it is connection
Okay,
issue
sir.
or whether it is personal issue, I don't know.
Sir, it will be better if you could wait a little more because some people just joined in. Maybe they want to discuss something.
Okay, that's okay, ma'am. Somebody
Okay,
sharing the
okay.
screen. Why are you
So-
putting this in red? Do you want to highlight it? When you cut and paste in Moodle, no, it will be taking the format that is given in this thing. Or if you want to change it, you should use Notepad, cut and paste it in Notepad, and take it from there.
Okay, sir, we will wind up. Excuse me,
So the
sir.
assignment-
Let us wind up the session, and we coordinators will wait for the
Yes,
discussion if it is continuing. Otherwise, the other participants can leave the meeting.
Oh
We
yeah,
can save
I'll
the
be
time.
out to you.
So let us
Ma'am,
go.
please remind them about tomorrow's assignment as well. I want the whole developed one, 3,500 words. It's up to them.
Yes, please.
And I want the assignment to be shared in the screen, and I want to take a look. And so tomorrow we'll be uploading the whole thing on the site. It is as per the timetable. That is why I am not starting now.
Okay.
Otherwise, I might have given you certain techniques. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, and also one more thing to the participants.
Yes, please continue.
Excuse me, sir. Can I tell something to the participants? That is, I have seen that there are some people who have logged in with two gadgets. There are two names. The same person's name is shown twice in this thing. So if somebody is doing like that, please don't do that because the rush is too much. So if you are using two mobile devices, like some may be using laptop and mobile due to network issues, so it will be better if you go for one device itself. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Before winding up today's session, I would like to convey a word of gratitude, sir. Respected Dr. Shamlal, today's session was very interesting and informative. So you could take us to the new world of possibilities like Moodle and other learning management systems, and then Google Translate and many more. So, sir, I hope after 7 days we will become technology savvy teachers and could make our own learning packages and bring positive changes in our classrooms. So on behalf of all the participants present here, I thank you, sir, for your sincere effort. Thank you so much, sir. And
Thank
I
you,
would
teacher.
like,
Thank you.
and I would like thank all the participants, teachers from all over India. Our dear friends are there, our alumni are there, our students are there, and I thank each one of you for trusting us and trusting St. Joseph Training College. And I wish all success and thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Oh, excuse me, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, loud and clear. Yeah, clear.
Sir, could you please pardon tomorrow's task that we have to do?
Prepare a Word file with 3,500 words. Word file with 3,500 words. I told Word file only. Don't worry about the content. I need a Word file just to upload it into the site with diagrammatic illustrations, etc. You can prepare some audio video tracks in the meanwhile. That is well and good. Otherwise, tomorrow's session will be wasting time on preparing audio video tracks.
Sir, what should we do about the diagrams?
Diagram? That is what I
Diagrams
told.
should be saved separately?
Yeah, that is better. Or you can incorporate into the Word file. But only thing is, don't save. Because if you save means you will be taking the image from the Word in a bigger file.
Don't save means?
then it will be a big file. So what I want is, I want you to take the print screenshot and make it into a small size image. That will be
Okay. Okay.
so. What I told is, it is a free server. In free server, the spaces are limited. So if you save an image, means image are of various size, and it will be taking maximum space. What we want is, we want to use it optimally. Hope you understood what I said.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, great. Next one, please. Hello.
Hello, sir. If somebody is sharing the screen.
Yeah, I will keep it live. Ask them to do the process, so that tomorrow there will not be any technical issues.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, great. Vasu sir, you are live.
Sir, I'm trying with my mobile phone, but there is no image coming when I'm doing share screen.
See, my humble request is, please don't depend on mobile.
Earlier I was doing on the laptop, but now I was trying to do it by a mobile phone. Nothing is being coming in the screen.
What happened to your laptop?
Power gone. There's a power issue over there.
See, e-charging is not provided by organizers, so there is no way I can support you.
Okay, sir. Hey, but if I was just trying to share with my mobile phone, I am not able to see the images.
But let me tell you one thing, I am not familiar with that sharing. I will tell you the process. Click onto the present now and do it like that.
I'm doing that way only.
Okay, what's your name? Try
Vasu
to share it
Sharma.
now. Vasu ma'am, you are live. Varghese, you are live.
I'm doing.
Yeah.
He is doing with the desk.
Okay.
He is using desktop.
Okay, great.
Sir.
Varghese, you are live.
Yes, sir. Can you see my presentation?
But the word file size is not visible.
Okay.
Can you stretch it?
Okay.
Make it into page width or something like that.
Okay. Size minimize. That is the reason.
That's the problem. Hello, friends. Somebody is including, and that is not a problem. Hello, anyone else? Yeah, COVID-19 and the environment. Great. Okay, sir, it is you, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, Bagesa, it is your file, COVID-19.
No.
No. Then who is sharing? Sojia. Hello. Sojia John. Ma'am. Ma'am, you are live. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Bagesa, you are live. Sir, your camera is not perfect. Please make certain adjustment. Yeah, great. That's enough. That's enough.
Sir, one doubt is
Yeah,
that somebody is scroll the material, then how it can be scrolled in online?
Sorry?
Somebody scroll the material what they saw, what they see, but I can't scroll the material.
No. You click onto that and go down. Click onto your material. It is like just like using a Word file. Can you do one thing? Click onto that and
There is
go down.
no need of a snapshot there, sir.
No, it is not a snapshot.
Yeah.
The whole file is visible.
Oh.
Vasu ma'am, you are live. Yes, please. Anyone else? Hello. See, why we organizers are kept it open is to each one of you take your turns. I think all of them are quitting one by one.
Is presenting.
Yeah, buddy. There is no movement on the site. Hello.
Only when he stopped his presentation, we are able to present ours.
Yeah. Please exit, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is my audio file.
Yeah. Can you click? Who is
And
presenting? Let me
this
see.
is the
Kamala ma'am. Yeah. Can you play that?
Of motivation file.
Yeah. See
Kamala
PowerPoint.
Devi.
See that.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
See that it is zipped
So
or something
please
like that.
let me wait.
Hello.
It is loading,
Okay.
sir, please.
See, there is a break in your audio as well.
We have
Yeah,
an
great.
audio
Can you
file
play it?
also. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
worry.
It is
Don't worry.
loading.
Don't worry.
Please
Take your
kindly
time.
wait for a minute. Yes. Doesn't allow me to insert any other thing.
Okay.
So tomorrow we shall ready with our PowerPoint, an image, and a Word document, which can be used for creating one topic e-content.
Okay, that's it.
So,
Yeah, play. Hi friends, take a look at this one. This is how to share the audio track as well.
yes, sir.
Not playing. Some buffering issue is there. Your data connection is creating troubles.
Yes, sir. It is right.
Yeah, it is. Sit
yes,
closer
it
to
is.
the window. So that, yeah. Or use a broadband.
This is the voice, sir.
Miss, how are you today?
Hello. Ah, yeah. It's audible.
I hope all of you are very safe in your engaging yourself in many meaningful activities.
Great, great.
This is my audio file, sir.
Okay, great, great. Okay, stop. Give it to others, please.
In this book, you will find.
So can you listen?
Related motivation, which is
It is loud and clear. It is audible. Relax. It is working perfectly well.
word for us, because as soon as you enter into the B.Ed program, the first ever word that you will hear is motivation in your psychology paper. What is this motivation?
Arrow forum screen.
Share